this video we will show you how to uninstall WordPress via Softaculous. If you would like to uninstall WordPress via Softaculous by using just one click, then in that case first of all, log into your cPanel account and then go to Softaculous. Now from here, you will find your WordPress installation. Simply click over the cross icon in front of your WordPress installation. You can tick mark remove directory, remove database and remove database user. This will remove everything related to your WordPress installation. Now finally click over remove installation. Confirm it by clicking over OK, and then your WordPress installation will be removed successfully in some time. If you are looking for a reliable one-click WordPress install web hosting service, then redserverhost.com is the best option for you. You must give a try.